Hello, YouTube people. Music Therapy Labs here, showing you some rough drafts of my logo idea that I had. So that was the first idea that popped into my head, doing something like that. And then I came up with this, and obviously this is just pencil on paper, just thrown together. I'll probably do a nice graphic version of this on the computer at some point. But I wanted to share this with people. Tell me what you think, which one you like better. And also wanted to show you a couple things that I unboxed. So this is the plumes. This is a distortion overdrive type pedal that I bought at Gelb Music in Redwood City when I did the Shop Your Mom and Pop Music Shop episode number 3. Go check that out on my list of videos. And then also got this in the mail. Oops, it's upside down. Yes, that's Mary Spender's new Lone Wolf CD. So her first production CD, and check that out. She signed it. That's so cool. So, of course, I bought that first, iteration of her music out on CD because I really have loved watching her rise in YouTube and her original music. Yeah, there's that special guitar-related device here, the sewing machine. And there's another one. So that's part of what I wanted to show is that I've got a lot to organize in this room, but mostly it's getting this thing set up. This on stage, basically it's a rack kind of table that rolls around, and I wanted to get that so I can put that on top of it, so I can do drum and other kind of beats and whatnot, throw some ideas together. And I've got to move all these guitars and all this junk into the closet there and organize everything else here. I want to put the sound system against this wall, this Now Hear This system, and have the record player that I still have yet to unpackage. I'll take it out of there and set it up over here as well, and get rid of all those fabrics from there that I've been using to make the Soundtrap design guitar hangers, which I should make an Etsy store. I don't know, put them up on Instagram or YouTube. I put a couple pictures of some I've done. And then move this whole kind of tower, keyboard tower thing over to the right so that that rolling thing can fit in there. And then I'm going to do a pedal build. So I'm going to put this pedal build is basically going to be why I bought this stuff. Is basically going to be the pedal for outside when I go out on jams and whatnot. And then I'm going to have some other pedal kind of configurations or setups done here for in the studio. But yeah, I just thought I'd quickly show. It was my laundry. That's nice to show. Quickly wanted to show you guys, some of the things I got recently, including this Dunlop cozy that I got from Gelb Music people. They were kind enough to give me that in a t-shirt. Let me show you the t-shirt. They had their 80th anniversary, so I did the Shop Your Mom and Pop Shop music shop episode, and they gave me the cozy and the shirt with the plumes. I bought the plumes, but they gave me the shirt and the cozy for free. And then the other pedal I'm going to do a demo of is the Freeze pedal by Electro Harmonix. Very cool pedal. I'll probably demonstrate a couple things that it can be used for. It's very functional as a practice tool outside of the cool kind of effects. And then here are some of the EBS, made in Sweden, EBS gold, very skinny, very small footprint pedal patch cables compared to these kind, right? And there's a lot of good things about that that'll show why there's such a great option. And then of course I'm going to be doing a demo of this very soon, the LPD Vermin. That's why I got the rat out. I thought that would be funny. And then what else? Yeah, I'll go over some of these eventually one by one. Oh yeah, I got this DoD volume pedal as well. I think it was Pro Guitar or some online store. I forget the name of it now suddenly. But not Pro Guitar Shops is gone. It might be American Music Supply. I'm not sure. But yeah, it probably was them that I got that through. But for 27 bucks, normally $100, right? So look at the size. It's about the size of the Flex Drive here by J Rocket. Um, yeah, it's pretty good size compared to the Morley volume pedal. And it's got a real nice sweep compared to this. I didn't really like how this one swept. It doesn't have a good sweep. So we'll see how that works. It's way nicer in size compared to this gigantic Dunlop pedal. And might try to find another smaller, like size one similar to that for expression pedal too, because that Moog one is just huge as well. So I'll probably use these two big ones for the keyboards, and then I'll use this one. I don't know, I might have to open it up and kind of cut away at the plastic like other people have demonstrated online to give it that sweep that I want. And then I'll, do that pedal build and have this room a little bit organized. So that's kind of the hope for during the Christmas season. Got some of my guitars out, the Harley Benton HP or Henning Pauly Signature. Really cool guitar. My Modern Player Plus or Deluxe that I won at Guitar Center. Grand opening. Get those raffle tickets, you guys. It's worth it. I won that guitar there. $500 guitar, I know. And then here's my Richie Faulkner Flying V Epiphone. Killer guitar. Oh yeah, and I have that Switchblade pedal also from EHX. Want to do a demo of how to use that. So yeah, I'll be doing some of those, but I thought I'd show you guys this unboxing that I just did poorly prior to redoing it right now. And just want to say thanks for watching my videos, you guys. It's a little quick Sunday night unboxing. Hope you enjoyed the content so far, and check out some of my previous content, including NAMM show stuff that I put up from last January. And I will be going to NAMM again this year, so I'm planning to do a little better content recording this next time around. And tell me what you think about the logo idea here, and which one I ought to go for, the simpler one like that, or something more like that. I might do different headstock designs, and it's going to be cleaned up and look nicer, but that's just a rough idea. So turn it around. So just wanted to share with you guys a little unboxing there. Hope you guys had a nice weekend. I did. It was a nice busy weekend as usual, and we're looking forward to our Thanksgiving week coming up. A little bit short of a work week, which is great, and I'll probably have some time to get some stuff done in here, which would be really nice, right? So until next time, thanks again for watching. Music Therapy Laz here, reminding you that the secret to tone is in your mind, but the feel comes from your heart. You just have to put them together. And that's what music's about, you guys. Thanks again for watching, and Music Therapy Laz out.